Plastic has become part of our daily lives thanks to its convenience and low cost. From the clothes we wear to the packaging that keeps our food fresh to the cell phones that connect us, plastic is everywhere. Unfortunately, due to lack of recycling and mismanagement of the material, plastic gets a bad reputation, particularly thanks to widespread use of throwaway plastic water bottles and plastic bags. But no material is intrinsically good or bad. The key is to select the right material for the application. For example, plastic is both lightweight and durable, and it's versatile because it can be formed into a variety of shapes and sizes. As a manufacturer of plastics, here are some ways Brentwood uses plastic materials for good. We produce packaging for medical devices designed to keep the devices clean and protected before being used in an operating room. This keeps both healthcare workers and patients safe. Plastic is increasingly being used in place of steel in cars, trains, and planes. Brentwood makes parts for these applications that reduce weight, save fuel, and reduce harmful emissions into the environment. We manufacture products that enable clean and safe water for daily use, including flushing toilets, showering, washing hands, and even drinking. Our cooling tower products enable comfort cooling and power our communities, enabling us to turn the lights on and charge our phones. Many of these products are designed to last over 15 years, reducing the need for constant plastic reproduction. Brentwood is also committed to recycling and sustainability. With a facility dedicated to reuse of materials, we reprocess and recycle over 15 million pounds of plastic annually. Plastic can be used for good, and when used thoughtfully, plastic and the environment can live in harmony.